Selecting the best database for your research assignment can be challenging. The filters in the A to Z database list make the selection process much easier. Let's take a look. Navigate to the Rasmussen University Library website and click on A to Z databases to link to an alphabetical listing of databases in our collection. Some of these databases cover a broad range of topics, and others are subject-focused. Although most include articles, some databases include other resource types such as books, videos, and images. Icons have been added to each listing to give you an idea of the types of resources included in a particular database. See the icon legend for more information. You can filter this list in two ways: by subject or program of study, or by resource type. Filters can be used alone or together. Let's use an example assignment to demonstrate the process. Find an article from the Rasmussen University Library about corporate social responsibility, CSR. The first step is to filter the list by subject or school of study. Using the subject/school of study drop-down menu, select Business and click Search. A list of best bets will appear at the top of the list. Rasmussen librarians have designated these library databases as the best for a particular academic program. You can also filter the list by resource type. Because articles are required for the assignment, you can select items from the Types drop-down menu. The best resource types for this assignment are journals and magazines and trade journals. Select those from the list and click Search to view a more refined list of library databases. Click on Database Title to link to the database and proceed with your keyword search. Have questions? Ask a librarian. Visit guides.rasmussen.edu/askalibrarian and submit a ticket.